Hi, welcome back to our video. Today we bought some candles and then I decided to get some toys for my dad.
This is the first candle.
And it's so smelly.
It's belly.
Can you smell it?
Good, guys. And the second candle is this one. This is pink. This is our second one.
So the second one is that. Wait, let me.
Good, guys.
Okay, this is the last one. Can you give it to me?
Oh yeah, it's so heavy. And this is our last one.
So this is the last one. It's you, me, and the sea. All right, smell it.
It smells perfect like perfume.
Aww, perfect. So we got 3 new candles, and it's all 50% off. Bath and Body Works. There. And this is our first ever candle we decided to buy because it's almost empty, and we loved having candles around. It smells so good, right, Leah?
Yes.
So,
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.